Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, you are rolling with Bink and B. If you can hear an echo, an echo behind me, it's because I'm in my master bedroom and there is no furnitures in that bedroom, in this bedroom. So, um, today I'm going to do a test for this Revitalift Filler Hyaluronic Acid, and this is the most expensive I have ever bought. This, like I've ever bought a serum. So I have a dry skin because of the water that I use. I use borehole water and it is salty and my skin is not liking it. So I was advised to use retinol and hyaluronic acid. So that is what I'm going to do. So I'll be reviewing these, but I'll be having a combination of this. This is simple toner. I didn't get rose water. Then bio oil. I'm a fan of bio oil. I've been using bio oil for like a very long time. So here we have it. And then during the day, I'll be using this. But I can also use it since I didn't have enough money to buy for the night cream. Let me just say I'm going to use it. So this is also from L'Oreal Paris. I have never used these products before. I don't know how they're going to work with my face. But I have tried products from other companies for vitamin C because that is the first thing that you're being advised to buy. So that is what I'm going to do. So as you can see, my face is breaking out. Yeah, your girl has a lot of things going on. So my face is, all that. And since it's the first day, I don't want to be wasting time. So let me get into what I'm supposed to be doing. So what I'm going to do is going to take this and pour it here because I love it when it's being sprayed. Ooh. Ooh. My face doesn't like scented stuff. It really reacts with scented stuffs. So let me see how this is going to be. It is another morning. Oh no, this is the second day, so we are going back to the same thing. But since it's going to be daytime, I'm going to use this copper tone. This is sunscreen. I always wear it whether I'm going out or not, so I'm going to wear it today, as I always do. Think it's hard how we always play not to play. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were both to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay with you like a new friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on them. Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on her. I think it's hard how we all